Wireless Intelligent Microvibration Life Detection. Page Introduction. On the computer desk, find the Wireless Intelligent Microvibration Life. Double-click to open. A prompt page appears. Click. OK. Enter the detection main page. Detection system software is divided into data settings and 3 functions. Page. Detection page. 1. The signal of the detection terminal is displayed. Turn on the power switch of vehicle and ground detection terminal. Wait for the detection terminal to connect to the signal.
Number 1 is connected.
After the signal is connected, the system voice broadcasts that number 1 is connected. Number 2 is connected.
6 has connected.
The software page displays the number of the probe terminal, signal, and dynamic waveform. The first connection time is about 1 minute. Second, the vehicle type can be selected according to select the corresponding model. Small cars, medium cars, large cars, and special vehicles. Second, select the probe terminal. In the detection terminal area, check the number of the vehicle detection terminal to use. Number 7 is the ground probe terminal, which is checked by default. Third, start the inspection and prepare. Select the corresponding vehicle model according to the size. After checking the number of the detection terminal, place the ground detection terminal around the test area. Take out the corresponding vehicle probe and attach it horizontally to the bottom. Click the detection button to start testing. The detection button turns blue and the word starts to change to testing. Fourth, detection progress. The software displays the progress in percentage. Fifth, the system automatically analyzes the environment and displays the evaluation result. Sixth, analyze the signals of each detection terminal and data comparison. Seventh, the result shows no one in car. The detection button turns green and shows the word pass. The system voice broadcast, check safety. Please pass.
Check safety. Please pass.
Click the stop alarm button and turn off the alarm voice or sound. When someone is in the car, the button turns red and displays search. The system continues to beep for alarm. Data page 1. Inspection records. To view, including detection time, vehicle type, environment, and results. Second, data retrieval. Administrators can use license plate, driver, time range options to search for specific vehicles or within a specific time range. Third, data export. Administrators can export the records by clicking to export the records. Fourth, data statistics can directly view the daily and 7-day search rate statistics. Data. In the settings page, enter the admin account and password to modify the device name, detection speed, alarm volume, duration, and login password.